With their nimble handwork, Svetlana and Irina make this look easy. But making these dumplings is a lot harder than it looks.
It's difficult to get those edges right.
After fleeing the conflict in March, Irina spent a month in Poland before joining her sister, who lives in London. They recently started making and selling these delicacies from home to spread their culture and help raise awareness for aid donations.
One evening we said, well, why don't we just see how it goes, and maybe if there is demand, maybe we go on. And so far there was a demand, and people like it. We have returning clients, which is always nice to see.
This food, called pelmeni, is popular with Russians too, a sign of the historical ties that connect the two states, now firmly at war. Their father joined his daughters in July, forced to leave his home in Luhansk, where some of the fiercest fighting has taken place. Aged 71, he remembers Ukraine as a Soviet state and never imagined he'd have to leave.
Not an inch of Ukrainian territory should go to Russia. Whoever comes to us with weapons, it's a warning for them. We won't give up our territory. My brother lives in Russia and his children obviously view things very differently. But for us, we will not give up our land.
This is one family, one story showing the impact this war is having, now in its 10th month and with little sign of stopping. Many more Ukrainians have sought refuge here in the UK, with nearly 150,000 arriving so far this year under special visas that mean they can stay for up to 3 years.
Irina's daughter Maria now goes to school in London. She's slowly learning the language, but with her father back in Ukraine, there's much she misses.
She all time very well want back at home. She waits, so she's saying, Mom, one day we sit and fly back at home.
It's not clear if or when that day will come. For now, this family is building a new life in relative safety, but still so conscious of the war raging back home. Luigi Barkil, CGTN, London.